Hello, my name is Catara. I'm a video editor and video strategist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resize your long form videos into short form videos on Capcut so you can repurpose them to different platforms.
Okay, so to resize a video in Capcut, you would want to go to ratio, and then you would want to choose whatever size you want to repurpose the video as. So if it's a YouTube video going into a reel, you would want to press the 9:16 one. And don't just keep the black bars. I see people do this all the time, and this is a really big mistake because you want to take up as much real estate on the page as you can. And the black bars, they just basically don't look very aesthetically pleasing on the platforms. So once you changed it, don't forget to remove the black bars. So you can do this one or two ways in CapCut. You can drag this little circle on this side over here. You can drag it until it takes up the whole screen real estate, or you can go over here in this section and you can actually bring it down. You can bring it back up. And again, if you wanted to change the ratio again to maybe a square size, then you could scale it up.
Now, I actually have a whole video editing course on how to edit your talking head videos in CapCut. If you're interested in that, I will link a video explaining what's in the course, or you can head down to the description box and find the link to the course down there.